Sa family gathering. Oh, oh, oh.
Mangyari na you will have children who know the price of things but do not know the value of things.
Ano nga ba yung mga issues na kinakaharap ngayon ng family? Ano ba ang sikreto para ma-maintain yung isang pamilya? Maraming nanonood siguro na single or single parent or hiwalay, ganyan, no? They're also asking themselves what went wrong. And if you are aware, bringing that awareness would also bring that healing in the family. Puro hiwalayan, nagkakaproblema dahil sa pera, okay kayo nung medyo may hindi kayo okay nung simula, pero nung nagkapera, mas lalo nagkaroon ng problema. Yung mga mali nagiging tama, and then yung tama, yun yung nakakahiya. We are also inviting you to check out where your family is.
Morning! Wakey! Good morning! Ayun na dali, para makakain pa tayo bago umalis. Cloudy! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Love you! Good morning! Sky, good morning! Morning, guys! Hi, morning! So, cute naman. Wake up na ha. Mag-prepare ba si mama ng food, okay?
Morning. Good morning sa walang tulog pero fresh. Yes. Para natulog ako 3. Dumating ako ng 3 a.m. Natulog ako ng 4. Tapos nagising ako ng 6. Kasi pag may kailangan may commitment tayo, kailangan sanayin natin na gawin ang commitment. Parang sa relasyon. Kailangan laging committed. Yes. So, good morning guys. Ngayon ay mayroong, hindi naman siya event, more of like, enriching. Alam nyo guys, dito sa ginagawa namin, no, alam nyo naman na marami kaming ginagawa. As in, alam nyo naman yan eh, merong gig, ano pa ba, aside sa gig, meron pang event, tapos meron pa kaming mga kung ano-ano. Yan, si Ninya, mga on the side. Importante na meron din kaming enriching na ginagawa. So, itong enriching na to, may aatin ng kaming family congress. Puput ko siya dito. Ay, sako ba? Ayan, dito. So, itong family congress, it's yes, wow. Family and Life Ministry ng Diocese of Novaliches ata ito. So, alam nyo yun, na wala akong tulog, pero happy kasi, parang, it's a family gathering. It's a family event. Pero aside from that, kasi ito ay 8 to 5. 8 to 5 to ng hapon. Yung 11 to 12, quarter to 11, kailangan ko umalis doon. Kasi may serve ako ng mass ng 12. Then, pagdating ng 1, babalik ulit ako sa venue. Then, after that, tapos nung event ng alas 5, uwi ako dito sa bahay. Kasi may gig ako mamayang gabi. O, diba? Regare.
Hanggang 5 lang ba yun?
So, technically, ganun. Anong araw na to? Tapos, bukas is family day. So, tulog naman. Tingnan nga natin to si Kaukaw. Wow, Kaukaw, ang ganda naman ng Spider-Man natin. How is Spider-Man? Ayun yung bago niyang shoes. Care of Metro. Pati si Sky, suot niya yung bagong shoes. Wow, dahil babies. Kasuot ko rin yung bago kong shoes mamaya. Pero pang school, ako yung mukhang estudyante mamaya.
2 hours later.
Ang cute. Good morning po. Sky na po. Pwede nga daw mag-picture.
Ganito lang po doon. Sabay tulog sa kanan po.
Morning, Sky! Class!
Kailangan pala dito kasi.
A gathering of people. So whenever people gather together in order to talk about a specific purpose or a specific concern of the community, that is what you call a synod. Kaya nga in the language of the church, without the truth is simply sentimentalism. Okay? Kaya maalala nyo, di ba, in the road to Emmaus, Jesus listened to them. But what did Jesus do after listening to them? Di ba ipinaliwanag niya yung banal na kasulatan? Ang sabi nga ng Bible verse, Jesus even reprimanded them. Sabi niya, oh, how foolish you are. How foolish you are not to understand everything that happened in the scripture. And then Luke said, and then beginning, he explained to them everything that happened in Jerusalem. So, nagturo din si Jesus. After listening, he taught them. Ecclesia dicens, Ecclesia docens. Mangyari na, you will have children who know the price of things, but do not know the value of things. Alam ang presyo ng lahat ng bagay, pero hindi alam ang kahalagahan ng mga bagay-bagay. Sana na ituturo natin yan sa ating mga pamilya kung anong ibig sabihin noon. No? So, the family is a time to understand the real meaning of wealth. Okay? Now, secondly, the family is a place of formation of acceptance. Ibig sabihin, pagtanggap. Ikaw ay tinatanggap. At totoo naman yun, di ba? In society, you have to fulfill many standards before you can become accepted. No, kailangan papasa ka sa standard ng mundo bago ka nila tanggapin. Pero sa pamilya, hindi. Ano ka man, sino ka man, tatanggapin ka. No? Naalala ko, di ba, nung bata ako, nung pumapasok pa. No? Sabi ng isa, ulitin daw, with feelings, no? Husbands, are you ready to die for your wives? Yan. Palakpakan naman natin yung ating mga husbands. Bakit hindi mo matulungan ang pamamalahan siya paminsan-minsan? O paglalaba paminsan-minsan? Tapos, I'm ready to die for you. Pero hindi lang naman yung husband.
Wala yung kahusband ko.
Kasi sinabi din namin
accepting a perfect partner. But marriage is about forgiveness, understanding, patience, reconciliation, humility, lowering down pride. That is marriage. Palagay ko, pag na-cultivate natin yan sa pamilya, sa inyo bilang mga mag-asawa, hindi na natin nahanapin pa na maghiwalay kayo. So we in the church are praying that somehow your marriage indeed may be stronger than before, and that God's presence in your union may always be felt, so that you may be guided to live together as husband and wife for the rest of your lives. Thank you very much.
Amen.
Tingin! Bye pa! Ayan, tapos na kami. Ay, asan si Eliza? Hinahanap kita eh. Wow, ang ganda ng ilaw dito. Ang saya. Dami ko natutunan, guys. Mamaya i-share ko sa inyo. Maraming salamat, Kuya Jason. For the glory of Kuya Jason, palagi nag-i-invite sa amin. Kundi dahil kay Kuya Jason, hindi ko yan malalaman.
Just then.
So ayun nga, nasa car na tayo, guys. Malamang nagtataka kayo, bakit kami na lang? Actually, nandiyan si Kuya Jason.
Hi ka naman dyan.
Kulang na ng isa, napalitan na yung nakaupo sa harap.
Iba na yung ano.
Kasi umalis si Jet doon sa doon sa event ng 10:30, no? O mag-11 kasi meron siyang mass service sa Novaliches Bayan, ayan, Our Lady of Mercy ng alas 12. So umalis siya. Tapos babalik daw siya diyan kasi nga natapat din naman na ano naman 'yon, 'di ba? Lunch break. Pero tumawag. Nasa bahay na hindi na daw niya kaya kasi nahihilo na daw siya. Duduling na daw siya sa antok. Wala pa kasi talagang tulog yun dahil nag-gig kagabi. Tapos, yun, maaga kaming umalis kanina. Sayang nga eh, hindi siya kung kailan pa naman yung magagandang part, no? Tsaka yun yung wala siya. So, yan, balik na tayo ng Novaliches. Mga skis kasi na din, 5:30 na din ng hapon. Sana dire-diretso na lang pero alam niyo maulan pa rin. Ay! Madilim. Sino excited?
Close your eyes.
Papa,
Close your
Gladys speaking.
eyes. Close your eyes. Eye.
Thank you, Mommy. Wow, welcome. Oh, ba't di natuloy? Halika dito.
Mag-thank you kay Mami.
Ba't di natuloy? Thank you.
Ay, di mo pa nilakap.
Hindi natuloy. Tingin, Clam. Wow. Isa-isa lang bukas, anak ha. Tapusin mo na yung isa, ha? Ganito na si Papa. Ano nangyari kanina?
Ang nangyari kanina is naboilog siya.
Tulog ka lang.
Tulog na tulog siya. Enjoy na enjoy niya yung lamig doon.
Ang naabutan ko is meron silang parado na bring me the Lola that is above 75.
Tapos, parang sino daw couple yung married na for 30 plus years, ganyan.
Meron dun 45 years.
Na parang nakatulog nga ako. So, alam ko talaga may gig ako. Kaya lang, cancel. Gawa nga ng bagyo. Oo, so sayang.
Late notification.
Oo, late lang. Kasi pag gising ko mga 5:30, pag check ko ng phone, cancel kayo today kasi force majeure kasi nga babagyo. So, yun. Late notice. So, ano yung naging buo nung ano?
About naman talaga sa family yon at saka actually doon, tinalakay nila na napakahalaga ng ayun na. Napakahalaga. Tinalakay kasi doon talaga, tsaka mas pinaintindi at mas reiterate, no? Kung gaano kahalaga ang family sa lahat ng aspeto, lalo na sa spirituality. Ang tawag nila sa family ay domestic church. Kumbaga, sa simbahan, mag-uumpisa sa bahay ang pagpo-foster and pagpo-formation, yan, pagpo-foster sa mga kids, sa family, yung pag-i-introduce kay Jesus. Tapos, hindi lang basta yon yung, kumbaga, parang makabuo ka ng maayos at pamilya na magiging buo hanggang sa huli is talagang din nila, parang diniscuss nila kanina. Nagbigay sila doon ng mga reasons kung bakit nagkakaroon ng mga family issues. Lalo
So,
na daw ngayon napapanahon talaga.
And very important nga yun na sa bahay nagsisimula ang tinatawag na na small church. Ayan. Ang family is the unit na tinatawag na small church. Aside doon sa big church, which is yung itinatag nga ni Jesus. Ano nga ba yung mga issues na kinakaharap ngayon ng family, no? So, number 1 talaga is yung disintegration ng family dynamics because of distraction. Number 1 yan. Yung disintegration kasi may mga kanya-kanya ngayon kasi 'di ba sobrang bilis ng panahon. So, isa 'yun sa mga nagiging cause ng pagkakaroon ng 'di ba nga napaka-ironic kasi yung phones, they are means to connect people even if they're far away, but it's also the biggest cause kung bakit yung family is na-disintegrate dahil kumbaga parang kahit na kumakain kayo together, yon may mga kanya-kanyang nagfo-phone, ganyan, o kaya family time pero nakaupo kayo sa table pero lahat kayo nasa telepono.
Kanya-kanya pa din.
Oo, magkakasama kayo pero yung utak nyo nasa labas. Iyan din naman yung nagiging issues ng family.
Sinabi din yun kanina na for sure napapansin nyo na rin yan, guys. Kasi nga, speaking of. Ay, hindi. Sorry.
Wala.
Ayan, huwag kang pindot ng kung ano-ano. Diba? Yun, na dapat daw yung gadget talaga, innovation niya na para means to connect people. Pero ang nangyayari, dapat yung tao ang nagko-control dun sa gadget but the other way around. The gadget controls the people. So, doon nagsisimula yung mga little problems.
Yes. Yung family congress kanina, it is all about, building that relationship within the family. And alam nyo, isa rin yan, actually, kahit kami rin naman nag-i-struggle kami. I guess every family struggles with it. Because at first, yung first is you have to parang makisabay sa bilis ng panahon sa nangyayari sa paligid. Kasi of course, if you cannot cope up with it, mapag-iiwanan ka or kumbaga parang mali-left behind ka, especially if you're building a family. So, yan yung isa sa mga issues that, pero ano ba ang sikreto para ma-maintain yung isang pamilya na intact, no? I guess, maraming nanonood siguro na single or single parent or hiwalay, ganyan, no? They're also asking themselves what went wrong and yung parang one of the major reasons why families are disintegrated or nag-collapse, no? Number 1 siguro makikita ko dyan na issue within the families are also the broken parents. So, yan yung isa sa mga major cause of the disintegration ng family. Paulit-ulit yung maririnig tong word na disintegration because our society is disintegrated. Hindi siya connected. Walang, kumbaga, parang hindi siya self-sufficient. It is dependent on others or other people's perception of, katulad na lang yan, in a relationship, a lot of people, they post nothing wrong about it, pero they're posting most of their sweetness online, pero in reality, majority of it is that hindi talaga sila okay. Nagiging way of lang sila. Nagiging way of parang inaano mo lang, parang pinoproject mo lang yung ideal, pero sa sarili, hindi nila talaga yun ma-apply. So, yun nga, ang mangyayari iyon if the person is not connected to himself, number 1, broken. Kasi hindi naman pwede magsama yung two broken people to build a family. Kasi ang ending niyan, if you build two broken people, you end up breaking your kids and your family as well. You're just passing on those brokenness sa mga kids and the generation. So, importante na doon pa lang sa parents or doon pa lang or nasa ligawan stage pa lang kayo, boyfriend and girlfriend, and nandun pa lang kayo sa engagement, that you are able to already know your core issues, and yung mga kailangan mo pang i-work out. Kasi everything that you have in your life right now is a process. Even if you think that you're okay, you're still in the process, no? Even us, no? Nasa proseso pa rin kami of discovering, of understanding, of fixing, or, perfecting, I would say, there's no such thing as perfection, but we're in a way perfecting, close to perfection, striving to become better. And number one is being aware of your weaknesses and your flaws and trying to do something about it. And if you are aware, bringing that awareness would also bring that healing in the family. Kasi pag pareho kayong broken tapos hindi ka pa nga aware dun sa nangyayari, tapos hindi mo namamalayan na yung sarili mong pain, inapapasa mo na rin pala dun sa mga anak mo. So, that is something that we are also advocating, as family, and we are also talking about this right now because family issues are very rampant, especially social media. Everything was, not entirely everything, hindi ko sinasabing lahat, pero majority of what you see in the social media are just facades or parang illusion. That's the perfect term, an illusion of what reality of life is. No, you may see us, like this, but there are still things in our life na hindi namin pinapakita, or may mga bagay kaming ginagawa na we chose not to open in the public na lang din. Not because we don't want to, but it's, it's something that, even our spiritual journey, hindi talaga kami very blunt about it. You see us, we do it, pero hindi kami, we really don't want to parang i-push yung gano'n, no? And importante na once you are aware of it, kung ano yung ginagawa, no? Social media, grounded ka, yan ang importante. Kaya kami means, no? I mean, we've been vlogging for many years. So, important sa amin yun, kung saan ka grounded. Because if not, if napapansin nyo marami sa social media, puro hiwalayan, nagkakaproblema dahil sa pera, okay kayo nung medyo may hindi kayo okay nung simula, pero nung nagkapera, mas lalo nagkaroon ng problema. Alam niyo yun, imbis na sana mas naging tighter kayo, no? Pero nung nagkaroon na ng pera, mas lalo, gano'n, diba? Gulo, ganyan. Tapos, as you can also observe, puro issues, here and there, maliit na bagay, issue kagad, ganyan. Tapos, na-empower din yung mga bagay na hindi naman dapat i-empower. Like, yung mga bagay na hindi naman talaga tama, nagiging, yung mga mali, nagiging tama, and then yung tama, yun yung nakakahiya. So, yun, nagkakaroon ng shifting na ngayon. So, kayong mga nanonood din, we are also inviting you to check out where your family is right now. What is wrong? What is, what is the cause of all this disintegration, yung disconnection, even to yourself, no? Bakit ba? Ano nga bang, Maybe because we don't have time to introspect and to reflect or take a pause about ano ba nangyayari sa buhay ko. So, yun I think, yung family congress that we attended, it's really, kumbaga parang reminding, it's an advisory reminding us of what really is important, what should be imbibed in a family, ano yung dapat mas nagkikling tayo ngayon. Diba? Hindi dahil sikat ito yung uso, ito yung kinaadikan ng lahat. No? Everything is a facade, everything is an illusion to our reality. So, I guess, family issues, nandyan talaga yan. I mean, every day it's a struggle. Every day is a challenge. Everything is a workout in progress. I'm not saying na perfect kami. Again, I just want to clarify, maybe you're watching us right now, okay, maybe in the future, hindi, but it's a part of the reality that everybody goes through it, and everybody should work on it. Everybody should try. Try. The intention of trying is more important than giving up or in despair. Diba? So, wag tayong maaano dyan, madadala sa ganong idea na, pag may nagawa ng mali, ay hindi na ako deserving. Wala naman talagang may deserve, pero ang importante is, you always try. That intention of still choosing the right thing, even after you have failed or fallen. So, yun lang po. Yun.
So, ayun lang guys. Natutuwa lang din ako na na-experience ko yun personally. Kasi, nakakataba ng utak. Tuwan-tawa kami ni Eliza kanina eh. Sabi niya, dati daw, tambay-tambay lang siya sa tabing dagat. Ngayon, nakakaganyan na siya. So, I also feel very honored and blessed na nabigyan ako ng chance na na-experience yun. So, kaya sabi ko, sa abot din na makakaya ko, I will try to share it with you guys. Kasi yung blessing hanggang sa inyo.
Yeah. So, again, if you have any questions in the family, and you can drop all this in the comment section below. Kain mo na kami.
Una na guys. O dahil, yay! Dandahan. Dahil nga late kami nakauwi. Yan ang ulam namin. Bulaklak. Bakit ka nandyan? Bakit ka nandyan? Ha? Gusto mo kay Papa katabi? Doon tayo sa kids room. Sa kids room. Halika na. Ha? Bakit ka dyan? Papa? Ano pa? Ay, dumi ng paa eh. Pagpagin yung bed, tayo dyan. Dali. Good night na rin tayo. Maga na naman tayo tomorrow. Mga niskis, thank you so much for watching. Alam nyo, sobrang kape talaga ng ice ko. Feeling ko magkakaano to. Ano yun? Sore eyes. Pero wag naman sana. Makati talaga siya. Pero itong left eye lang naman. Anyway, yan. Magpapahinga na kasi maaga kami bukas. Maaga na naman. Sunday. Family day tomorrow. Ang galing naman ni Claudio. Let's say goodnight na guys. Bye! Thank you so much for watching. Bitaw daw pa.